Hi, I have participated 18 December phonology in the ESL EFL teacher training sessions, and ma'am is very grateful to us, and we are very grateful to know very many things there, and ma'am helped us to know the how to teach students and children, and also old and aged students, and helped them to how to speak them, and how to get them the knowledge of English teaching and accent speaking terms. Sounds like, and ma'am also helped us phonology, if phonology and pronunciation, and helped us to know the pronunciations, how to speak the when speaking the sounds like that. Also grateful to know the knowledge of things.
If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification for a new video.